I know why you clicked on this video, so let's just hop right into it.
So your girl took a trip to Home Depot. I ended up going with wooden planks instead of MDF boards. I'll tell you all about it at the end. But these were $2.20 each, and I purchased 20 of them. I did end up falling short of my count and had to go back and purchase some more. Here, I'm just spacing everything out, trying to get a feel for the look that I'm going for. My mind was blank, so I ended up going on Pinterest, and I got a really cute inspo picture that I'll insert. Now, this is my first time doing a board and batten wall. I've been wanting to do it for a while, so I just decided, you know what? It's time. Let's just bite the bullet and do it. So I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm very excited. So when it came to putting all the boards on the wall, I kind of cheated. I used something around the house to make sure that I had equal spacing between each board. And after I got over my fear of using a nail gun, we were good to go.
Okay guys, so it's the next day, next morning. The lighting is much better. And you can see what we've done. So I have to go back to Lowe's because I have to pick up about 9 more boards. I'm gonna have these cut in halves and in fourths, and then on a 45-degree angle so I can start freestyling my design. If you see something, if you hear something, it's this baby right here. You like your toy?
Y'all, at this point, you cannot tell me anything. I am like a modern day Tim Allen. Like, I am definitely the handyman. I am in here feeling myself. The wall is coming together. I could not wait to add these boards to the back wall because it's just making the whole vision come together. The thing that you see me using is actually a utensil organizer. You've seen it inside people's kitchen drawers. I actually use that to do the spacing for everything that's on the wall. I hate measuring things, so I just went ahead and decided I would use this and it would help me, I don't know, move along a little bit faster. And it did. I didn't come up with this trick. I watched like 10,000 board and batten videos on YouTube, and this is the trick that I saw, and I was like, ooh, that's really smart. So I went ahead and I did it. So this is one of the most important steps. So you have to go back in with wood spackle to fill all of the nail holes. But being totally transparent with you all, I just used regular spackle and it turned out great. What can I say, guys? Caulking is so freaking annoying, but this part was so necessary to make sure that there were no gaps between the boards and the walls. I ended up getting super hot. This took a long time, and I was making a mess with the caulking. I ended up finding out that if you just use a wet rag, it smooths everything out and makes everything look nice and neat. The paint that I'm using is Gliding Black Magic, and it's in a flat. In retrospect, I should have just went with Bear for a better quality paint.
I am so excited to show you guys what the wall looks like. I'm so I'm so excited. Okay, but before I show you guys the wall, there are a few things that I just want to add that I would have done differently. The first thing that I would have done is purchase the MDF boards. Now, these boards are flatter and they're probably way easier to work with than the actual wooden planks that I picked up. But I purchased the planks that I did because they were just cheaper, and they were actually longer too. I think the MDF boards were like $5 The second thing I would have done differently is painted the back wall. Oh my goodness, y'all, let me tell you something. I totally underestimated how long it would take me to do this project. I don't know why I thought it would take me around a day. It ended up taking me about 2 or 3 days to do it, maybe 4, because I was just exhausted from all like the preparation work. If you have somebody to help you, I would recommend getting help doing it. I mean, it could have been that my wall was like longer, and this was my first time doing it. And the last thing that I want to say, which I think is the most important thing of all, is measure. Y'all, I failed to prepare, and that is why it probably took me so long. But without further ado, I want to show you guys my wall that I am so in love with. And if you guys enjoy videos like this, I have so many more DIYs I want to do, things I just want to ramp up around my house. But let's get right into it. I'm so excited. It looks so good.